Hello friends, here Dr. BC, and today in this video episode I am going to update the battery of Bosch GSR ProDrive Professional Screwdriver. This is my Bosch GSR ProDrive Professional Screwdriver. You can see that I have purchased this unit at a cost of around 3400 rupees. So you can see our previous video on unboxing and the review of this screwdriver. The link is flashing on your screen. Now in this video episode I am going to update the battery of this GSR screwdriver. So you can see that the battery of this screwdriver has only one lithium ion cell inside it. Now how to open this battery pack? So you can see that the battery pack is of around 1300 milliampere hour. You can see that, and it is output at 3.6 volt. You can see that it is a lithium ion battery. Now to open this I have to lift off this plastic. So take your metallic sputter and try to lift it like that. So now you can see here is the battery. Now to take out the battery I have to press from upward down, and you can see that that is the lithium ion battery of this screwdriver. So you can see that it is a single cell and it is a 18650 cell. Now in this video episode I am upgrading this battery with this new battery, that is a Samsung INR 186050. It is a 30Q model. You can see that it is a high power battery. Again the similar type of battery is installed here, but it is of a low capacity. It is around 1300 milliampere hour. It is 3000 30Q matlab it is a 3000 milliampere hour battery. So I am replacing this battery in this ProDrive. Now to replace this battery, so first of all I will show you the heating effect of this battery. So for that I will first push this battery inside that screwdriver and install the battery. It is working. Now to check the heat or the thermal profile of this battery, I will use this FLIR camera. Now I will use some screw or drive the screw in this wooden piece, and now let's see how much. Now you can see that. Now I will quickly take out the battery so that you can see how is the heating profile of this battery. So that is the cell itself, and you can see that the temperature of the cell is rises up to 40 or 50 degrees Celsius, 49.6, and on the terminal, that is contact, you can see that the temperature is quite high, and on the top again you can see that the temperature of the battery rises up to 50 degrees Celsius. Now here you can see the images. You can see that the battery temperature is high, around 49, and if you see the other area, the temperature is around the similar type, 48, 49, 49.5. So you can see that while using this battery, the battery get heat up, but still you can see that the wire are cool. If you see the second image, you can see that the wire still it is cool, but the battery package is heated up. Now I am replacing this battery. So first of all I have to take out that connector. Yeah, now it is okay, and also lift off this sensor and this aluminum tape. Now the battery is released, and now I can also remove this cardboard. Now I will insert my battery inside this cardboard. It will go like that. You can see that the profile of this battery is big as compared to that one. Now you can see that I had shouldered the end of this battery. Now I will shoulder the wire. You can see that I am using a very small gauge wire, not a too big or too broad gauge wire, because I don't have any broad wire right now at my home. So I am using this type of wire. Now you can see that the profile is ready. Now I will install that battery in that case. Now I will install that battery and try to turn on. You can see that it is working. Now I will use that screwdriver. You can see that it doesn't have too much power. Why? Because of that small wire. You can see that. Yeah, it doesn't have that much of power. And now I will see the temperature. You can see that the wire is heated at much higher temperature as compared to the battery pack. You can see that the temperature of this battery again rises up to 50 degrees Celsius, but the wire is heated up to 63.2 degrees Celsius. So you can see that with this help of this thermal imaging camera, I can pin out the problem. You can see here that the wire that I have connected with this new cell, it is of small gauge, and due to that it has very high resistance as compared to this high gauge wire, and that's why due to high resistance, when higher current flow in this wire, it start heating up and there is a ohmic loss, and that's why the screwdriver is not working perfectly with these new cells. Now I am updating this wire. After doing lot of research, I got this type of wire. You can see here that I had trimmed down my 16 ampere power cable, and in that cable I got this high gauge wire. Now I am using that wire for my rest of this video. Now you can see that I am using a shoulder to connect this high gauge wire to this cell. Now it is ready to use. Now I will try to install that one in this package. Yeah, it is okay. Now I will put that one inside this. Now I will check the performance. Now whether this will drive this screw fully in, or you can see that now there is no ohmic loss, and you can see that now it is giving a full power to that screw and there is no ohmic loss in the wire. Now I will try again. You can see that. Yeah, it has the same power. Yeah, now let's see the temperature of this cell. It is quite nominal, that you can see that right now the wire is working perfectly. There is no ohmic loss in this wire, and if you see the contact on the back contact, I think it is okay, but still you can see that the temperature is quite high as compared to the remaining part of that cell. And you can see on the top, okay, the temperature are quite constant. Now my modified that cell is now capable to drive this Bosch GSR ProDrive Professional screwdriver. Now I am installing that one. Yeah, now I will fix that plastic also. Now I had installed the Samsung cell, new cell in this package, and now it is ready to use. Now my Bosch Professional screwdriver will work for around 10 hours with this new battery. And also you can see that I have fixed the cable issues, that is the low gauge cable issues, with this FLIR 1 thermal imaging camera. And you can see that this type of thermal imaging camera are very useful in designing such type of a project. So you can see that with the help of small tools, small instruments, I have successfully updated the battery of this Bosch GSR ProDrive Professional screwdriver. Now this completed this battery upgradation video of Bosch GSR ProDrive Professional screwdriver. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video. If you dislike this video, give a thumbs down. And also do subscribe to our channel. The subscription link is shown on your screen here. And for such type of technical videos, gadgets review and mobile phone reviews, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.